Claude can create artifacts, standalone files like HTML code documents that render in the chat. But most people misuse them or ignore them entirely. Artifacts are special blocks of code or content that Claude renders in a dedicated window. You can copy them, download them, edit them. They are not just text in chat. You can use artifacts when you are building something that lives outside the chat. A React component, an HTML page, a script, a document, a resume, something you will save and use elsewhere. You don't use artifacts when you just need an explanation or information, or when the output is for reading in chat only. Real example, you ask Claude to build a to-do list app. Claude creates an artifact with React code. You can interact with it in chat, test it, then copy it to your codebase. The artifact is the deliverable. Also, if you ask Claude to write a professional resume, Claude will create an artifact, HTML formatted resume, that you can download it, edit it, send it to employers. The artifact is the product. You can also ask Claude to write a Python script, and Claude will create an artifact. You copy the code into your project. The artifact is the working piece. Real power. If you do not like something in the artifact, you tell Claude to change it. Claude updates the artifact. You see changes in real time. No copy-paste back and forth. Artifact types. Claude can create React components, HTML pages, JavaScript, Python, Markdown documents, SVG graphics, and more. Anything that stands alone. Limitation artifacts are not everything Claude produces. If Claude is explaining something, it does not need an artifact. If Claude is analyzing something, it does not need an artifact. Artifacts are for deliverables. Pro technique. Ask Claude to put something in an artifact if you want to save it. Say, put this in an artifact so I can download it. Claude will. Another Pro Technica artifacts can include state React. So, a to-do app is interactive. You add items, check them off, all in the artifact. Then you copy the code into production. Real use case. Building a landing page. You ask Claude to design a professional landing page for your business. Claude creates an HTML artifact with CSS styling. You view it in chat, tweak it. Claude updates the artifact, then download and deploy. Single workflow, no jumping between tools. Another use case, personal project. You want a habit tracker? Ask Claude to build a React component. Claude creates an artifact. You interact with it like how it works. Copy the code to your own site. Another documentation. You ask Claude to write a PI documentation. Claude creates a Markdown artifact. You download it, add it to your repo. Artifacts work best when you have a clear deliverable in mind. Vague requests produce artifacts that need heavy revision. Specific requests produce artifacts you can use immediately. This is Future Ledger. If this changes how you build with Claude, subscribe.